Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we'll learn how to make chicken porridge for baby. It's also a celery and carrot porridge. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 18-gram chicken breast for this porridge. Finely chop the chicken breast. We should try our best to do that. If you have the meat grinder, grind it into chicken paste will be better. Then put them into the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon olive oil into the bowl. Stir them evenly. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare other ingredients. Fine mince 40 grams celery. Then save them for later. Peel a carrot. Then grind 30 grams carrot. Then save them for later. Now we can start to cook this chicken porridge. Wash 30 grams of rice. And then put them into the pots. Then about 600 ml water into the pots. Use big fire to heat them. After the water has boiled, use a small fire to cook it for 20 minutes. Then add chicken breast into the pots. Stir them evenly. We should stir them from time to time while it's cooking. After 20 minutes, if the porridge is thick, add celery, carrot into the pots. Stir them evenly. Then use a small fire to cook it for 10 minutes. After that, you can add 1/4 teaspoon salt into the pots. The chicken porridge is only suitable for babies over 12 months old. Less salt for the baby will be better. This chicken porridge is rich in nutrition and delicious in taste. It can allow babies to take in a variety of nutrients for their growth and development. You can eat it too if you like it. Hope you can try at home. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe or like us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.